Okay, Brittany, Dr. Warren here, and I want to go over your assignment with you. It looks really, you put a lot of work into it. It looks really good. I just want to tweak it a little bit to get it to remind you that a lot of this work that's going to go into this tour has already been done by students. So, for example, the geographical research, the Native American tribes, the flag or whatever, all of that stuff will be done in earlier assignments. And you need to start thinking about what those assignments are going to look like. And they're going to look like the same format as this, but it's going to be different. Like, how are they going to go find those geographical features? How are they going to go find the cultural aspects and elements, right? And what do you want to see in those? Then they're going to put all that they've already done together in this tour, okay? So the tour is what we're focusing on here, okay? So the steps to completion is all about just the tour, okay? Present your steps, you will present your complete tour of your state in a graphical or multimedia format. We actually will say multimedia format because graphics is multimedia. In a multimedia format, okay? And then they're going to demonstrate these things, right? So that's good. So let's see. Why don't we say this? Using the work you've done earlier, using the work you completed earlier in the course, in this class, you will be able to demonstrate, okay? So then that gets us down to, okay, so then this stuff, the steps to completion, spin the wheel and get your state, that's going to happen in Module 1 at the very beginning, right? And some of these videos is the example tour. And I found a great little example tour. Now I can't find it. Let's see if this is it. Did I plug it in? This one, North Dakota. No. Is it? Maybe. No. Oh yeah, 7 Wonders of Oregon.
So the question I get all the time.
That's nice. Yeah, something like that is great. And then I found one on North Dakota. Tour of North Dakota. Let's see if this is it. See if I can find it real quick. And you can use both of those. Let's see, where is it? There's travel destinations in North Dakota. Hey, that might be fun. Let's see if this is any good. The thing I don't like about this one is there's no talking, there's no narration. I think it was, well, anyway, I'll put it in here before I send it to you. I'll put it in here. But these are things that are going to happen earlier, except for this bit about the step 3, compose the itinerary for your trip. So, new work, provide the final tour. And then maybe steps to completion, compose an itinerary of your trip. Oh wait, you've got that here. So let's just move that, pop that one out a little bit. Okay. All right. So then, so here's the thing about the criteria. This is actually your criteria, and this will go into your rubric, but you need to kind of lighten them up and merge them. So if you're talking about, good recreation spots, and you would say something like geographical features, including, you could do something like this here. Actually, let's just undo that, and we'll grab this and actually move that up here. Including recreation spots. Uh-oh, there goes my mom. She just fell. Sorry about that. Hold on. Okay, that was exciting. We're all settled in now. So anyway, just kind of merge these and describe each kind of feature in more detail, what you want to see in that brochure, that tour, okay? And so you've got this kind of duplicated in multiple places. Again, you've got this, let's see, it is, let's see. Yeah, it just needs to be cleaned up and merged. Think of your students, think of what it is they're trying to figure out here, okay? But really great. Then what I'm going to ask you to do is put that into your class by going to your class and in your week 2, in your module 2 or 3, go ahead and just, you're going to create, you're going to create an assessment assignment. And you're simply going to grab this whole thing and put it right into here, clean it all up, get rid of this. This intro video would not be here. It doesn't, well, I guess it could be here, but you know, you could, I think maybe what I would do is go, here's an example, of a tour, right? Maybe something like that. The problem is it's not really a tour because it's not like, you know, our first stop is going to be a blah, 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 right? So anyway, and then just clean all this up and you give it a title. And then you have to add some points here. And then you'll add the rubric in later in this course, you'll create your rubric, okay? So I hope that's helpful. Sorry we got interrupted. I hope I didn't stop at a weird time and pick up at a weird time, but I think that that should give you enough of an idea to take the next step of your final assessment and put that into what I'm going to ask you to do is you still need to do your week 2 final. So go ahead and submit the updated version based on my feedback tonight. And then for your week 3, put it into your classroom and give me a link to your class for the draft and I'll give you feedback on that, okay? All right, good luck, and if you have any questions, just call me, okay? All right, thank you so much. Bye. Wait, where am I? Okay, bye Brittany, we'll see ya.